ready to rebuild your credit? Here's 6 steps to get you started. 1. Pay your bills on time. It's basic but crucial. For any past due accounts, bring them up to date. You can automate payments or set reminders to keep yourself on track. 2. Mind your credit utilization ratio. Keep those credit card balances low. Be careful about closing accounts as it reduces your available credit and can affect your utilization ratio. 3. Explore secured accounts. If traditional loans aren't an option, consider a secured credit card. It's a great way to build a positive credit history. 4. Lean on your network. Family or friends can help by making you an authorized user, opening a joint account, or co-signing a loan. Just make sure they're in good credit standing. 5. Be careful with new credit. Applying for new credit cards can impact your credit. While more available credit is beneficial, ensure you can pay off bills each month. 6. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to explore credit counseling, debt management plans, or debt consolidation if you're struggling. For more insights, head over to the Ask Experian blog.